Today, we'll draw a very cute deer. Deers have beautiful eyes. So beautiful that its eyes had been mentioned by various poets. Deer are the only group of animals in the world to have antlers. Antlers are the fastest growing living tissue in the world. Time to color. I love colors. Let's begin. Deer can jump up to 10 feet high and are very good swimmers. Deer usually have smooth, brown fur. White areas often cover the chest and throat. Almost there. Well done!